Today I will talk about how to install React Native environment in Windows. And first thing first, I will show you the basic implement of Redux and Red with hard reload. So this app is an example provided by Facebook. So I click here, it will just increasing the number here, and the hard reload means we can change this time and we press save, then it will show hard loading. So this text will be changed. So if I change this to this, and it will be changed. So let's talk about how to create this environment. And first we will install Genymotion. Genymotion is an emulator for Android. So let's go to the official website of Genymotion. And here you just register your account and you download it. Okay, after you download the Genymotion, you will have this, and you need to remember that you also need this virtual box to ensure your Genymotion will work. So make sure you have checked the box of virtual box when you are install the Genymotion. Okay, second, we will install the Android Sdk. So the easy way to install Android Sdk is to install the Android Studio. If you have programmed some Android app before, you will familiar with this IDE called Android Studio. So how to install it is send us the Genymotion. Just go to the Google and type its name. So here is the download page, and you just click this button. Okay, after you download the Android Studio, then here you need to open it and install some package for your React Native to establish the environment. So we open up this Android Studio and wait a moment. Okay, and by the way, this is my guidebook that talk about how to install React Native, and I have write some article about React and React Router and Redux. If you're interested in this topic, you can just go to my guidebook to read it. So we open up this Android Studio, and you need to click this Android robot, and have a down arrow, just click it. And now we need to install the package called build tool. So first we will click this button and we will open up this window, and second you need to click this launch standalone SDK manager. So click it. And this window will be open. You will see there are many packages on this window, but what we need to install just this build tools. So the React Native need is just this one, but maybe in the future we will need this one and this one, so we just install these three. I think it's enough for us, and we can uncheck this and you press the install button. Okay, so wait for a while. You have installed the build tool, and I think the next thing you need to do is for Node.js. I suppose you have already installed the Node.js, so after you install the Node.js, what you need to do is just simply open up the Node.js command prompt, and then you need to install the React Native CLI. So you just install this package in global. So you type this and press enter. Okay, and next you need to do is using the React Native CLI to create an basic project. So this is provided by React Native, so we can just simply type this and wait it maybe 2 minutes. It will create a folder called the awesome project. So look like this. Okay, and it's our React Native project. Okay, so we have the Android Studio, and make sure you have already installed the Java SDK and React Native. The building process needs one important file called local properties. So we can just create an empty project, and after we create the empty project, we can go to the project directory, this one, and in the project directory there is a file called local property, which is the React Native need. So we can just copy this and go to the React Native created project, so awesome project, and we pass the local properties file into our Enjoy folder and just paste it. Okay, and here. So next we need to do is using the Android promote. Okay, and now we need to change this path. So we change this path to this, because our package JSON is here, so we cd into this folder. And we will type this React Native star. What it's doing is just create an app that's in our emulator. So after we run it, we can see our Genymotion, and in our Genymotion we will show our app look like this. So make sure you, before you type this command, you need to open up your emulator and type this, which will create an app in here. So after we create our app, it might have a red screen because we are not start our server. So after we I pack this. Okay, so if we click here, oops. Okay. So we click here. It will say that cannot connect to the development server, so we need to start the React Native server. How to do that is just using this React Native run Android, because we are not write an iOS app, we are write an Android app, so we need to type this command. So in this directory we just run this command, and it will create an React Native server. Run this computer. So just wait for it. Okay, one thing that I got mistake is that this command is to create an Android app, but if we want to start an React Native server, we need to type this React Native star. So not this one. What we need to is, okay, back to 3 minutes ago. Okay, so our app should look like this. So after we type the run Android, we need to type this React Native star to start our server. You will see the React package ready, so you can click this reload.js and it will run some process. Okay, and finally we got our React Native running. So we can click here, this arrow, and click this new button, which will open up a dev menu. We can enable or disable the hard reloading, or just reload JS, which will refresh this app. And you can also debug in Chrome. If you click this, which will open up a Chrome browser to let you debug this app in a Chrome browser. Okay, here. So this is our React Native project, and I simply tell this project how it works, and what we need to change is just this. This is React and Redux implement, so we just write all the logic in this app folder, and I think we don't need to change this Android folder because it's to build an app, so our logic is mainly in this app folder, and you can download this sample project in here, this one. Okay, and if you want the hard reload, you can just do this, click here, and the hard reload is just like this. Change this one, and it will change. And here we type console log, so we can just simply type some console and it will show in here. Okay, so for now it's our React Native environment building in Windows. So if you got any question, just leave a comment, and hope this video will help you to establish the React Native environment. Okay, see you next time.